Welcome to Christmas 2025. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to this beautiful 17-degree Chicago weather. Welcome to phase 2 of the E84 makeover glam. I don't know how to call it, but anyways, as you guys can tell, this thing is filthy. It's disgusting. So, as any automotive weirdo would, it's disgusting. That's how you know it's cold, bro. You will never catch me wearing any winter gear. Now, granted, look at all I'm wearing. Oh man, whew. None of it matches. I don't care. I just want to be warm because we're about to spend a couple hours in this. I guess it's 11. Boop. 11-degree weather. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt because I am gonna talk to you guys as we are driving. I don't know who is the asshole that parked behind me, but fuck you, buddy. Anyways, so first place we're gonna go. You piece of shit. First place we're gonna go, it is going to be the car wash. I know in other states this is not a thing, especially Texas. I have a flat tire. Oh, go ahead, buddy. No, I have a flat tire. It's not good, man. Good thing I live here now because I can fix this tire instead of letting it get stupid low and then having to get a new one. That's so annoying. Look at that. Low tire, flat tire. Oh, same difference. We'll resume in a bit. Give me 1 second. Alright, now that we figured out that low tire, good thing it wasn't flat, we can keep going on our day. As I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and take it to the car wash, hand car wash. I will show you guys in a minute what I mean by hand car wash, and then we shouldn't have to come back and dry it because it's gonna be dry. But I don't know, man. As a car guy, I hate having a dirty vehicle, and this does not meet my expectations for myself, so we're gonna go ahead and take it to the car wash. Again, welcome to phase 2 of this festivity shenanigans. Again, if you're new to the channel, there's also Muslims. Let's head to the car wash. You know what they say, you look good, you feel good. Sheesh. Oh man, nothing better than a clean vehicle. Want to see the outside? Just wait. like, brother, man, you can't tell me a clean car just doesn't look 10,000 times better. In my opinion, it does. To each his own. Anyways, I refuse to do this for 3+ hours. So we're gonna try to hurry up. Wish me luck. If you haven't figured out by now, yes, the phase 2 consists of wrapping the Beamer in Christmas lights. I am as wrapped up as I can. So, like I said, I don't want to be here doing this for X amount of hours. I have a guesstimate as to how long it's going to take, or how long I want to take, and I have a guesstimate of how I want to do this. So if it all goes well, I should be finished within 2 to 3 hours, which is still a long time. Luckily for me, yesterday and the day before were 50-degree weather days. Tomorrow's a 50-degree weather day. Today it's a 11 degree day. Let's do this for the kids. I'm the kid. All right, 2.5 hours, and this is what we have. Oh, man. Half of the bumper, the hood. I feel like that's pretty busy, so it shouldn't look funny. And then we have the the fender and the door moving on to the back, and then the 3/4, and then the other side. It is very cold. My GoPro will not turn on, so I'm using my phone. I want to guesstimate, honestly, another probably like 2 hours, because these are all flat panels. So that took forever. That didn't take that long. That was pretty quick. And then moving on to that. So I don't know. I'm pretty confident that I'm gonna tackle it in the next 2 hours. So it is 2 o'clock right now. I'm hoping that by 4 o'clock I should be done. Yeah. See y'all later. It's cold. Can you guys see it in my face? I'm a little red. Anyways, so far, this is what we got going on. It is cold. I am trying to finish ASAP. There goes the back bumper and the quarter panel. So next are the doors and the front bumper, maybe trunk, and maybe roof. I don't know. I got about, I think I got 2 hours left before I have to fly out of here. I guess just a little update. Not that I'm gonna see y'all, because this is seconds to you guys, but it's hours to me. Bye. I'm dead. I'm not gonna lie. It's done, and it looks great. I love it. I don't know. Pretty obsessed with it. I'm sorry, I'm playing with this thing, but you guys ready to see this thing? Oh, let me close the door. Let me get ready. Welcome to Christmas 2025. Brother. Dude, I don't care. That looks so good. Got the neon lights on the bottom. All the lights going off all crazy. I don't care, dude. This is gold. Oh, dude. This looks so good. It's not even funny. I'm in freaking love. And I'm running late. So with that said, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like what you see, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification. Please leave me a freaking comment. Let me know what you guys think. Repost this, send it to a friend. I'm Ozzy with Moose Things. Woo. See y'all later. Peace. Oh yeah. Stay tuned for the next video. It's coming right up.